In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Smartsheet. If you manage tasks, deadlines, or project milestones, sorting by date is one of the quickest ways to bring the right information to the top of your sheet. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, explain what you'll see, and share a few helpful tips so everything sorts the way you expect. First, make sure you actually have a date column. Sorting by date relies on Smartsheet recognizing those values as real dates, not plain text. A date column typically shows entries like month, day, and year, and often has a calendar picker when you click into a cell. If your dates don't look consistent, or you can't select from a calendar, they may not be stored as dates. Converting the column to the date type, or cleaning up any inconsistent values, will make sorting accurate and predictable. Once your date column is set, go to the top of that column and right-click on the column header. This opens the context menu for that column. From the options that appear, click Sort Rows. You'll be presented with two straightforward choices: oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Choose oldest to newest if you want the earliest dates at the top and later dates moving downward. This is helpful when you're reviewing a historical timeline or working through items in the order they were scheduled. Choose newest to oldest if you want the most recent or upcoming dates first. That's great when you need today's or next week's items front and center. As soon as you click your preferred option, you'll see the entire sheet rearrange. Smartsheet moves full rows, not just the date cells, so all the information in each row stays together across columns. This makes it safe to sort without losing the relationships between your data. If anything looks off, double-check that all entries in the date column are valid dates. Mismatched formats or text entries can cause items to land in unexpected places. A couple of quick tips. Sorting changes the row order for everyone who has access to the sheet, so be mindful if you're collaborating with a team. If you don't have permission to rearrange rows, you may need to ask the sheet owner or an admin to adjust your access. And if you ever want to emphasize a different date column, like due date versus start date, repeat the same steps on that specific column header to resort. That's all there is to it. Right-click the date column header, select Sort Rows, pick your direction, and let Smartsheet do the rest.